Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make strawberry smoothie in Vietnamese way.
We watch Baby Boss.
This is frozen
Baby
strawberry, this is condensed
Baby
milk,
Mr.
and
Bomb.
this is
No, Baby
milk.
Mr. Bum Bum.
First we need to pour the strawberries in.
I have to put milk.
Then we pour the condensed milk in.
No, I want this one.
Lát nữa chị bắp chờ cho con chút xíu nha.
Không. Con muốn lật đập.
Then we pour the fresh milk in. Now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pour the strawberry smoothie in, and I'm gonna share with my friends. Let me try. It's very good. This is so good. This is my brother. He thinks it's very yummy. This is strawberries straight from the farm, and my mum bought it and put it in the freezer so we could make strawberry smoothie.